Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can recover your Rockstar Social Club account if you have forgotten your password. In order to recover your Rockstar Social Club account, the first thing you want to do is open a browser and go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. Once you go to socialclub.rockstargames.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Here, you'll see two options, one to sign in and one to sign up. So to recover your lost account, tap on the sign in option. Once you tap on the sign in button, you'll land on an interface where you have the option to sign in to your Rockstar Social Club account. But you don't have your password, so what you want to do is tap on forgot your password. Now, you need to enter your email linked with the Rockstar Social Club account that you want to recover. Once you enter your email, tap on the reset password button. Once you tap on the reset password button, Rockstar Social Club will send an email to the email address that you entered, which is linked with the Rockstar Social Club account. Now, what you need to do is go to that email and look for an email from Rockstar Social Club. Once you get to that email, look for an email from Rockstar Social Club. The email will be labeled as Rockstar Games Social Club account password reset. Open that email. Once you open that email, scroll down. There you'll see an option to reset your password. Tap on that reset password button. Now you'll be sent to Rockstar Social Club's reset password page. Here you can create a new password for your Rockstar Social Club account. So enter a new password. Once you enter your new password and confirm the password, tap on the password reset button. Once you have done that, you have successfully recovered your account. Now enter your credentials and log in to your Rockstar Social Club account and access all your games, download them and enjoy playing them. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some more information. Goodbye.